Hello everyone, this is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and today we're going to take a look at SWOT analysis and strategic planning. Let's get started. Imagine you're about to make a big decision, like starting a new business or launching a new product. Before diving in, it's crucial to take a step back and honestly assess the situation. This is where SWOT analysis comes in. It's a powerful tool that helps you understand your strengths, weaknesses, the opportunities available to you, and the potential threats you might face. By considering all these factors, you can make more informed choices and increase your chances of success. Essentially, SWOT analysis provides a structured framework for self-reflection and market analysis, guiding you towards a clearer understanding of your current position and the path ahead. Here are all the modules which will be covered. By the end of the course, you will develop the ability to make consistently sound and well-informed decisions, cultivate a robust framework for strategic planning and successful execution, gain a profound understanding of oneself, leading to significant personal and professional growth, establish a distinct competitive advantage in the business world, experience a significant boost in self-confidence and the assurance that comes from mastering a valuable analytical tool. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to evaluate a company's competitive position. It examines internal factors like strengths, competitive advantage, and weaknesses, limitations, as well as external factors like opportunities, favorable market conditions, and threats, potential risks. By identifying these key areas, businesses can develop strategic strategies to capitalize on strengths, address weaknesses, exploit opportunities, and mitigate threats, ultimately improving their overall performance and achieving their goals. After conducting a SWOT analysis, the real world begins. Here's what you can do with the insights gained. Identify strategic alternatives. Combine strengths with opportunities, weaknesses with threats, and explore potential solutions. Prioritize strategic options. Evaluate alternatives based on feasibilities, impact, and alignment with your goals. Set SMART goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Create an action plan. Outline steps to achieve goals, including timelines, responsibilities, and resource allocation. Monitor and evaluate. Track progress, make adjustments, and learn from experience. Let's look at internal analysis. Internal analysis is a SWOT framework involves examining the company's internal factors to understand its current situation. This analysis helps identify key aspects of the company's operations, resources, and capabilities that can influence its strategic decisions. By carefully evaluating these internal factors, companies can gain valuable insights into their potential for growth and areas where improvements are needed. Internal analysis factors are strengths and weaknesses. Strengths in a SWOT analysis are the positive internal attributes that give a company a competitive advantage, such as a strong brand reputation, a skilled workforce, unique technology, a strong financial position, or efficient operations. These internal strengths are valuable assets that can be leveraged to achieve business objectives. Weaknesses. Weaknesses in a SWOT analysis are the internal factors that hinder a company's performance, such as a limited financial resource, outdated technology, lack of skilled personnel, poor customer service, or high employee turnover. Identifying and addressing these weaknesses is crucial for improving business performance and ensuring long-term sustainability. Let's look at strengths. Strong brand reputation. A well-known and respected brand can attract customers and command a premium price. Skilled workforce. A talented and experienced team can drive innovation, improve efficiency, and provide excellent customer service. Unique technology or intellectual property. Proprietary technology or patents can give a company a significant advantage over competitors. Strong financial position. Adequate financial resources allow for investments in research and development, marketing, and expansion. Efficient operations. Streamlined processes and cost-effective operations can improve profitability. Weakness. Limited financial resources. Insufficient capital can restrict growth, innovation, and market efforts. Outdated technology. Aging technology can reduce efficiency, hinder innovation, and make it difficult to compete with rivals. Lack of skilled personnel. Shortage of qualified employees can limit a company's ability to execute strategies and meet customer demands. Poor customer service. Ineffective customer service can damage brand reputation and lead to customer churn. High employee turnover. Frequent employee departures can disrupt operations, increase training costs, and negatively impact morale. External analysis. External analysis in a SWOT analysis involves examining the factors outside of the company's control that can be significantly impactful in its operations and success. This analysis helps to understand the broader market trends, competitive landscape, and economic conditions that influence the company's ability to achieve its objectives. By identifying key external factors, companies can better anticipate challenges and opportunities and develop strategies to adopt and thrive in a dynamic environment. External analysis factors are opportunities. Opportunities in a SWOT analysis refers to favorable external factors that the company can leverage to its advantage. These could include emerging markets, new technologies, changes in customer preferences, government initiatives, or economic growth. By identifying and capitalizing on these opportunities, companies can achieve significant growth and gain a competitive advantage. Threats. Threats in a SWOT analysis are external factors that could negatively impact the company's operations or profitability. These include factors such as economic downturns, increased competition, changing regulations, natural disasters, and adverse weather conditions. By identifying and mitigating these threats, companies can minimize potential damage and ensure long-term sustainability. Opportunities. Emerging markets. Expanding into new geographic regions with high growth potential. New technologies. Adapting and integrating innovative technology into products or services to enhance efficiency, improve customer experience, or create new revenue streams. Changes in customer preferences. Identifying and adapting to evolving customer demands and preferences. Government initiatives. Taking advantage of government subsidies, tax breaks, or other initiatives to support businesses, growth, and development. Economic growth. Benefiting from a strong economy with increased consumer spending and businesses activity. Threats. Economic downturns. A recession can lead to decreased customer spending, increased unemployment, and reduced demand for products and services. Increased competition. The entry of new competitors, aggressive pricing strategies from rivals, or the emerging of substitute products can erode market share and profitability. Changing regulations. New government regulations or changing in existing laws can increase costs, restrict operations, or create new compliance burdens. Natural disasters. Events like earthquake, flood, or hurricane can disrupt operations, damage property, or disrupt supply chain. Technological disruptions. Rapid technological advancements can quickly render existing products or services obsolete, making it difficult for companies to keep up. Now we're going to take a look at matrices and interpretation in SWOT analysis. The SWOT matrix is a visual tool that helps businesses identify and analyze their internal strengths and weaknesses, and external opportunities and threats. By mapping these factors within a 2 by 2 matrix, it allows for identification of strategic options, such as leveraging strengths to capitalize on opportunities, addressing weaknesses to minimize threats, and develop strategies to overcome challenges and achieve business objectives. Here is a visual representation of a SWOT analysis typically displayed as a 2 by 2 matrix. Horizontal axes represent internal factors, strengths and weaknesses. Vertical axes represent external factors, opportunities and threats. Interpretation. The real power of SWOT matrices lie in its ability to generate strategic options by combining elements from each quadrant. For example, strengths and opportunities. Focus. Leverage internal strengths to capitalize on external opportunities. Example. A company with strong brand loyalty can expand into new market segments by leveraging its existing customer base. Weaknesses and opportunities. Focus. Overcome internal weakness to capitalize on external opportunities. Example. A company with limited marketing research can utilize social media marketing to expand its customer base. Strengths and threats. Focus. Utilize internal strengths to minimize the impact of external threats. Example. A company with a strong financial position can invest in research and development to counter the threats of disruptive technologies. Weaknesses, threats. Focus. Minimize both internal weaknesses and external threats. Example: a company with outdated technology needs to invest in upgrades to address the threats of increasing competition with technologically advanced rivals. The key takeaways are: the SWOT matrix provides a structured framework for analyzing a company's situation and developing strategic options. By combining internal and external factors, the matrix helps identify areas for improvement, capitalize on opportunity, and mitigate threats. The interpretation of the matrix should lead to the development of specific action plans and strategies to achieve business objectives. Now let's take a look at strategic options and action plans. This phase of the strategic planning process translates the insights gained from SWOT analysis into concrete actions. It involves generating strategic options that leverage strengths, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. These options are then refined into actionable plans with specific objectives, timelines, responsibilities, and resources allocation. This process requires careful consideration, prioritization, and ongoing monitoring to ensure that the chosen strategies effectively guide the organization towards its desired outcome. Generating strategic options, strengths, and opportunities. Leverage existing strengths to pursue attractive opportunities. Example: if a company has a strong brand and a new lucrative market segment emerges, a strategic option could be to aggressively market to that segment using the established brand. Weakness and opportunities. Address weaknesses to capitalize on opportunities. Example: if a company has a limited online presence and online sales are booming, a strategic option could be to invest in developing an e-commerce platform and online marketing campaigns. Strengths and threats. Using strengths to mitigate threats. Example: if a company has a strong financial position and faces the threat of a potential economic downturn, a strategic option could be to build a cash reserve to weather the storm. Weaknesses and threats. Minimize weaknesses to reduce vulnerabilities to threats. Example: if a company has outdated technology and faces the threat of increased competition from technologically advanced rivals, a strategic option could be to invest in technology upgrades and employee training. Developing smart objectives and action plans. Set smart objectives, specific, clearly defined and focused, measurable, quantifiable with clear matrices, achievable, realistic and attainable within the given time frame, relevant, aligned with the overall business strategy, time bound, set with specific deadlines. Example: increase market share in the new product segment by 15% within the next 12 months. Developing action plans. Outline specific steps, timelines, responsibilities, and resources allocation for each objective. Create a detailed roadmap for implications. Evaluating and selecting the best strategic options. Prioritize options. Evaluate each option based on criteria such as feasibility, potential return on investment, alignment with organization goals, and risk levels. Select the most promising option. Choose the option that offers the greatest potential for success and competitive advantage. Implementing and monitoring strategic plans. Execute the chosen strategies. Put action plans into motion, ensuring proper communication and coordination across all departments. Monitor progress. Track key performance indicators to measure progress towards objective. Regular review and adjust. Analyze results. Identify any unforeseen challenges and make necessary adjustments to the plans. Making adjustments and refinements. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of strategies, adapt to changing markets, conditions, and unforeseen circumstances. Learn from successes and failures. Regularly review and refine the strategic plan to ensure it remains relevant and effective. Finally, let's look at case study. Company Invotech, a fictional company specializing in developing and manufacturing innovative eco-friendly home appliances. SWOT analysis. Strengths: strong R&D. A dedicated team of engineers and designers focus on developing cutting-edge energy-efficient appliances. Focus on sustainability. A strong commitment to environmental responsibility using recycled materials and minimizing environmental impact. Unique product line offers a range of innovative products not readily available from competitors, such as self-cleaning oven and a solar-powered refrigerator. Strong online presence, a well-maintained website, and active social media presence to engage with customers and promote products. Weaknesses: limited market share, relatively new to the market with a smaller market share compared to established competitors. High price point, eco-friendly and innovative features often come at a premium, making products more expensive. Reliance on technology. Products heavily rely on advanced technology, which makes it susceptible to malfunctions or requires specialized repairs. Limited brand recognition. Compared to well-established brands, Invotech may be less recognized by the customers. Opportunities: growing demand for sustainability, increased customer awareness and demand for eco-friendly products, expanding product line, diversifying product offerings to cater to a wide range of customer needs, partnership, collaborating with retailers, influencers, and other businesses to increase brand visibility, government initiatives, taking advantage of government incentives and sustainabilities for eco-friendly technologies. Threats: intense competition. Competition from established appliance manufacturers with large market share and resources, rapid technological advancements. They need to constantly innovate and adapt to rapidly evolving technologies. Economic downturn. A potential economic downturn could negatively impact customer spending on premium appliances. Supply chain disruption. Potential disruption to the supply chain due to global events or natural disasters. Strategic implication. Based on the SWOT analysis, Invotech could focus on strategies such as marketing and brand building, investing in marketing campaigns to increase brand awareness and educating customers about benefits of their products, product development, continuously developing new and innovative products to stay ahead of the competition, strategic partnership, collaborating with retailers and influencers to expand market reach, cost optimization, finding ways to reduce production costs to make products more affordable. Understanding SWOT analysis empowers individuals and organizations with a robust framework for strategic planning and decision making. By effectively identifying and analyzing internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats, individuals can make more informed choices, develop effective strategies, and navigate challenges with greater confidence. Whether applied to personal goals, professional pursuits, or business ventures, the insights gained from SWOT analysis can be instrumental in achieving success in a dynamic and competitive world. With this, we have now come to an end. I hope you understand SWOT analysis and strategic planning in a better way. This is Hardik from Team Mastering Up, and thank you for watching.